This is the commercial city of Mumbai और यहाँ पे सभी को लक्ष्मी चाहिए. But do you know there is one महालक्ष्मी temple in Mumbai जहाँ पर कहानियाँ हैं महालक्ष्मी के चमत्कारों की.
And there is also a lesser known hidden Shiva temple.
Come with me. Situated on Mumbai's coast, the Arabian Sea washes the steps of this temple as if they were touching Mahalakshmi's feet. Lanes lined up with shops offering garlands, prasad and souvenirs welcome you as you enter the lane of the temple. But don't you miss out on the little Hanuman Mandir which is right near the entrance. Lotus flowers are known to be Mahalakshmi's favorite and you will find them plenty here. But do you know what? Buy a lot more flowers for the other two Devis also, because while this temple is named as the Mahalakshmi temple, it also has the idols of Mahasaraswati and Mahakali. कैसे दिया भैया गुलाब?
30 रुपए 10 रुपए.
उन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है?
ये लिली है, ये लक्ष्मी कमल है, ये सरस्वती कमल.
As per the records, this temple was built somewhere in the 1700 AD and there is a story full of miracles behind it. It is said that the Hindus immersed the three idols of the goddesses into the sea near Worli Creek to avoid destruction of the idols by the Muslim invaders. Subsequently, during British rule, Lord Hornby decided to connect the two islands Worli to Malabar Hill Creek, and the work was entrusted to Sri Ramji Shivji Prabhu, a government engineer who tried through his other engineers and technicians to link the two islands. They were not in a position to connect two islands by constructing two ways and could not complete the project on account of seaweed. One night, Sri Mahalakshmi goddess instructed him in a dream and asked him to take out all the idols which were in creek of Worli and place them on top of the hillock. He promised the goddess that he will take them out from creek and place them in a temple on top of the hillock. This was fulfilled and then only he succeeded to connect the said two creeks. After completion of the work, engineer obtained ground on the hillock as a gift from the English ruler. He then constructed the Mahalakshmi temple on top of the hillock by spending rupees 80,000. While many of us know Mahalakshmi Devi as the goddess of wealth, did you know she is also known as the goddess of purity and love? The idols of Mahalakshmi, Mahakali and Mahasaraswati are adorned with gold bangles, pearl necklaces and garlands. During Navratri, special rituals, prayers and events take place over 9 days, drawing a large number of devotees. Do you know in the months of Navratri, that is Chaitra and Ashwini Navratri, something very unusual happens here. The sun rays fall on all the three deities, which is not the case the rest of the year. The temple is located at the edge of the Arabian Sea, and it is believed that this positioning signifies prosperity flowing into the city of Mumbai.
And that's not all.
Well, not many people know that just behind the Mahalakshmi temple lies a 300-year-old Shiva temple. Shivji ka prachin mandir is right behind the Mahalakshmi temple.
Well, this is one of the oldest temples in Mumbai, built in the year 1835. It is easy to miss seeing its location. The temple has a beautiful Shivling and temples of the entire Shiv Parivar.
Many beliefs and even more stories. But let me tell you, coming over here, the peace you experience just cannot be described in words. So do come over here and experience it yourself. Jai Mata Di.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.